Now let's open up Xcode and we're gonna run the app in the simulator just to show you how to do that. It's really important to do that from time to time when you're working on this code, just because you want to make sure everything looks right and everything is working right. So the easiest way to open up Xcode is to double click on this file name. And it might take some time when it's when you're opening it for the first time, so just be patient. The first thing we want to do here is we want to change the name of our project. So you see here it's called Party Slots. That was the original name. So we're just going to call it whatever the name of your slot machine app is going to be. Not really double click fast, just click on it once, real slow, and then it'll turn into a changeable state. So I'm just going to call this one, let's say classic slots. How's that? And it's going to ask you if you want to rename project content items, and you want to say yes, rename. Here I usually just disable it. All right, so now the project name is changed. The next thing we want to do here is we want to run the game in a simulator. And what it's going to do is it's going to create a version of the app, and you can test it on your computer, which is really, really nice. It's still processing here, so we're going to wait a little bit, but if you click on, let's see, it should say iPhone something right here when you first open Xcode. If you click on it, you're going to see iOS simulator and different versions. So this one is for the iPhone 4. You see a 3.5-inch screen. And then you'll see the iPhone Retina 4-inch screen. And then you'll see an iPad version and an iPad Retina version. Now this app is a universal app. So it runs on the iPhone and the iPad. So first let's just run it on the iPad. So just click on the iPad here, and then all you have to do is come over to the play button and click play, or click the button actually, and then just wait. And you're going to see all these these yellow warning symbols with its numbers next to it. Don't worry about it. A lot of those, from what I'm told, are just unavoidable. So your app should still be able to build even though you get this warning signals. Later on, if you start getting like a red symbol with an exclamation point, then it'll fail. That means it failed, and you're not going to be able to run the app. So you have to figure out where the mistake is and resolve it. So this is the app shown on an iPad, and you can just play it. Let's see here. Let's click on Classic Slots, all right? And then let's just spin. And for some reason on my computer, I don't know if it's going to do the same on yours. When I run it on the iPad on my computer, it runs a little bit slower. The iPhone speed, like when the wheels are spinning here, seem pretty normal, but on the iPad, it's just a little bit slower. So later on, you definitely want to test out the app on your devices as well. And I'm going to show you how to do that. But everything looks good here. So you can see the different games, which is nice. Options here. This is a guest level 1. That's for Game Center. So if a user clicks on it, it'll take them to the Game Center. It's not available now. Buy coins. This is the in-app purchase screen. It won't be able to connect on the simulator, but when you run it on your device, and when we have in-app purchases set up, then you'll be able to see this. I can't close it now, but that's fine. I'll just go ahead and close out this simulator here. Now, the next thing we want to do, and I'm going to explain it in the next video, is we want to create a bundle identifier. That's going to be something that's very important that you need, and that's going to be unique for each and every single one of your apps. And I'm going to show you how to create that.